Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Product Critic. In this video, I'm going to talk about two waterproof flashlights that you can buy in 2024. These flashlights are the Streamlight 88050 to ProTac and the OLIGHT Warrior X4. They are both designed for tactical and outdoor use, and they have some impressive features and specifications. But before we start, if you buy through the link in the description, you will have guaranteed warranty and fast delivery. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Let's begin. The first flashlight I'm going to review is the Streamlight 88050 to ProTac. This is a USB rechargeable flashlight that has a maximum output of 850 lumens and a beam distance of 200 meters. It has three modes: high, low, and strobe. It also has a programmable switch that allows you to customize the functions of the light. It comes with a 2600 mAh 18650 battery, a USB cord, a holster, and a removable pocket clip. It has a waterproof rating of IPX4, which means it can withstand splashing water from any direction. It has a body made of anodized aluminum, with a tempered glass lens and an anti-roll head. It weighs 177 grams with the battery, and measures 155 millimeters in length and 25.4 millimeters in diameter. The second flashlight I'm going to review is the OLIGHT Warrior X4. This is a battery-powered flashlight that uses a 5000 mAh 21700 battery and has a maximum output of 2600 lumens and a beam distance of 630 meters. It has four modes: high, medium, low, and strobe. It also has a magnetic tail switch that can be used to turn on the light, change modes, and access the strobe. It comes with a battery, a magnetic charging cable, a holster, and a lanyard. It has a waterproof rating of IPX8, which means it can withstand submersion up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. It has a body made of aluminum alloy with a stainless steel strike bezel and a silicone rubber tail cap. It weighs 239 grams with the battery and measures 149 millimeters in length and 40 millimeters in diameter. Next, let's look at the battery and the charging. The OLIGHT Warrior X4 uses a battery-powered 21700 battery, which has a high capacity of 5000 mAh and can be charged via a magnetic cable that attaches to the tail of the flashlight. The Streamlight 88050 to ProTac uses a USB rechargeable 18650 battery, which has a lower capacity of 2600 mAh and can be charged via a USB port on the side of the flashlight. The OLIGHT Warrior X4 also has a battery level indicator, which shows the remaining power in for levels, while the Streamlight 88050 to ProTac does not have this feature. The OLIGHT Warrior X4 also has a vibration function, which alerts you when the battery is low, while the Streamlight 88050 to ProTac does not have this feature. Finally, let's look at the build quality and the value for money. The OLIGHT Warrior X4 also has a higher waterproof rating of IPX8, while the Streamlight 88050 to ProTac has a lower rating of IPX4. However, the OLIGHT Warrior X4 is also more expensive than the Streamlight 88050 to ProTac, with a price of around $129.99, while the Streamlight 88050 to ProTac costs around $118.15. So, which flashlight should you buy? Well, it depends on your needs and preferences. If you want a brighter, more powerful, and more durable flashlight, and you don't mind paying more and charging it less frequently, then the OLIGHT Warrior X4 is the best choice for you. If you want a simpler, cheaper, and longer-lasting flashlight, and you don't mind sacrificing some brightness and features, then the Streamlight 88050 to ProTac is the best choice for you. Either way, you'll get a quality flashlight that can withstand the water and shine bright when you need it to. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews. Also, let me know in the comments what you think of these flashlights and which one you prefer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.